Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In the last video, we learned about the basics of TreeView control. Now we will add TreeView to the web form. And if you see, this is the part of the web form which contains the TreeView control. Alright, now let's add TreeView to the web form. So first we will add a web form. We will click the project, rich controls, right click and choose add new item. So we will name it as RC03 TreeView control example, and now we can click add. So already we selected web form under the web node. Next we will go to design view and we will expand the toolbox, and here so it's not there in the under standard. We'll go to navigation and you can see TreeView control, drag and drop it on the form inside the div placeholder. So this is the default look of the TreeView control, and once we place the cursor on the control, you can see a arrow mark in the top. Expand it and choose auto format, and there are pre-built tree format given by Microsoft. Here we will pick arrows 2 and apply the style. So now this is our TreeView control. And simply resizing the div tag. We will once again expand this quick task window and choose edit nodes. So this will display the TreeView node editor dialog box, and in that the very first icon shows that add a root node. So we will name this as root 1. Similarly, we can add 2 more nodes. Now we have 3 root node available, and to add child to the root node, click on the node or parent node and click here add child node. So for root 1 we have 2 child, and for root 2 we have 3 childs. So let's click the second node and add a child for it. Then we will click here and we will add 3 child to it. So each time you have to highlight and then choose add a child node. So the dialog knows which one is the parent. So what is highlighted here is the parent, and we are adding the child. Now let's name it. So once we set the name for the first level hierarchy, then we are going with the second level hierarchy and setting the names. So our TreeView hierarchy is ready. Now let's click OK here, and you can see the TreeView is displayed here with parent-child relationship. Now let's build the solution. And you can see rebuild all succeeded. And we can run the solution to see how the tree view looks. So if you see, there are three root level node. Root 3 doesn't have any child. Root 2, you can see there are three parent. Parent 1 doesn't have any child. Parent 2 has one child. And parent 3 has 3 child. Similarly, you can expand root 1, and there are 2 parent here, and these 2 parent doesn't have any child. So we just defined the hierarchy here based on the TreeView control. So we can say child 1 contains parent 2, and parent 2 contains root 2. Or root 2 is the parent and it has 3 child, in which parent 2 has 1 child and parent 3 has 3 childs. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.